Hello, people of Earth. I'm Dan Lockhart of the Honda Valkyrie Dan Lockhart YouTube channel. I'm doing a wrap-up of Season 7. Season 7, I had 30 episodes that I recorded, and kind of started out the season riding locally, going over to Buena Vista over Cottonwood Pass, and I did an episode that showed that Cottonwood had 13 switchbacks on it. That's the most that I know of around here. And it was a pretty fun ride. And when I started out, I had a couple close encounters with some deer. And thankfully, they didn't come up on the road like they could have. So I know everybody, that happens to everybody everywhere. But this time I got it on film. I recorded it, and also did a 12,000 mile maintenance over in Montrose at Davis, at the Davis shop over there, Davis Service Center. And I got new tires, had all my fluids changed, everything that happens to 12,000, air filter, the whole 9 yards. I was really happy to get that done. When I got the bike, it had a little over 2,000 miles on it, so I put 10,000 miles on it over the last 7 years. I usually do around a couple thousand per season. This time for my big ride, I went over to a part of the state that I've never been in. I'm a native of Colorado, and I've never been to the northwestern part of the state before, along the state line with Utah. So I did a ride that I started from here, and I went over to Montrose and got my maintenance done, and then from there I just continued on my ride out to the Dinosaur National Monument. When I went on Dinosaur National Monument, it took me on the Dinosaur Diamond Scenic Byway, which leads through the Grand Mesa National Park. Beautiful park. I've never seen that my whole life. And the reason is because it's kind of out of the way. You know, if you want to go there, you have to want to go there. It's not something that you just run into along the way. And the same is true for the Dinosaur Diamond Scenic Parkway after the Grand Mesa. That was a beautiful ride over to Rangeley. Had a really good time doing that ride. I spent the night in Rangeley. I went over to the Dinosaur National Monument, which is actually, it's in Utah, but the monument itself does go a couple miles into Colorado, but the main part of the Dinosaur National Monument is in Utah. So I went about, I'm going to say probably about 30 miles into Utah on the northwestern side of the state. Like I said, lived here all my life. I've never seen that part of the state. That was a great ride. Really enjoyed it. And then I finished up the season with 3 different videos that I did on a fall ride out to Gothic, a little bit beyond Gothic, Colorado, on Gothic Road. If you stay on Colorado 135, which goes through Crested, Butte, you just stay on that road. Eventually it turns into dirt. And I think it's some of the most amazing, colorful, beautiful vistas in the state. If you've never seen it, it's really, really something to see. It's amazing. The fall colors around here are just outstanding. But anyway, I think I only did this season probably around 1,200 miles altogether. I hope to do a little bit more than that in the coming season. I have some ideas in mind for some rides that I'd like to do. And, I hope you join me for Season 8. It usually starts up in late April, early May timeframe, so we'll see how it goes. It's really cold here right now. I think the low overnight was -2. So we haven't been getting much snow, but it has been getting pretty cold as of late. Anyway, if you like my wrap up and my whole entire Season 7, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and we will see you in the next season. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.